Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on Mason's car again. In our last video we installed headers for his Civic, and for this video we're going to be installing
Ktuner
software onto his car. We're going to make it pop and bang.
911, what is your emergency? I hear shots! Okay ma'am, calm down. What kind of shots?
We're going to do like a Burble tune on his Civic and see how that sounds. What is this, bro?
When's the last time ask me when the last time I cleaned my car was?
When's the last time you cleaned your car, bro?
Fucking 3 months ago, 2 months
Dude,
ago.
yeah, what happened here? What is that?
Remember when fucking we went to LA and they ate on my car?
Oh, really?
Let
me see. Damn, Vezna, you better come out here and give him a car wash.
Like dropping, dude, all over.
Dude.
On top of the car. Fuck
Oh yeah, also, Mixon kind of messed up his side skirts that we installed. He went over a curb and kind of destroyed it. Where'd you get that, Mason, dude?
Dog the chill.
Amazon?
Ooh, ashy, bro. Look at that. Shaving the ash off my skin. Ashy, bro. I need the lotion.
Look at who's late.
Fucking what? Gray sweatpants, white shirt. And you know we're gonna get dirty.
Alright guys, so we already installed the actual tune onto his car already, on his Ktuner. But we're gonna come back in a bit and show you guys how it's actually installed. I'll put a clip up of how it sounds like right now, and so you guys can see. Hey, it's kind of loud, dude.
I think it's just loud inside the cabin.
Hella loud, bro.
It sounds pretty good though. It's pretty loud, dude. Oh, it smells. Alright, you gotta explain to them.
Man, I can't explain this shit, dude.
I'm about to input some crazy codes in here.
Man, shut the fuck up.
I think, yeah, while we were down there, we installed a big fat turbo.
Hey, put a clip in, and that shows that I'm doing it. You know, make me look good.
I mean, we already got that beep boop,
Yeah.
so.
Man, connect, motherfucker.
Ow, okay.
Paparazzi.
Yeah, what if you look dumb? Oh, chill, bro.
She Productions. Hey. So we got it working. It was easy process, nothing hard. See the dot, so that's connected.
Yes.
And also says logging too. You know, but on videos, we looked up on videos how to make the Burble tune, or at least pops.
Yeah.
And then all it is just basically turning on the ignition timing. But for Ktuner, they have already factory tunes, or what comes with, which is basically only one. So for Ktuner, you basically just go to new tune, and it opens it up, and then it has basically only one setting on here. Click it, drop down, double click factory. No, wait, I'm a dumbass. Click next, and it should open up your one tune, tune 1, and then tune supporting up to PCD. I have no idea what that means. Look it up on Google, I guess. And exhaust intakes with proper MAF housing are fine as well. So we basically just have an exhaust whole thing, and it supports it, I think. You gotta cut all this shit out, dude. I don't even know what the fuck is happening.
What you're talking about?
Yeah.
That
So
makes it
again,
look fun.
we're kind of we're just spoofing this bitch. If you have any suggestions or things, critiques,
Yeah.
by all means help us.
If your guys' cars blow up because of this, don't blame us, please.
Yeah, because ours will blow up first before
Yeah.
you guys'. So just stay tuned if you see that, so you know how to take that tune out. But so that's the only tune on here, and then press next, and it'll basically load that in. boom, and it shows all this motherfucking shit. And then basically, from all the videos I've seen and everything they do, the easiest way just to get Burble tune or pop tune is just basically lower the ignition timing. So I saw from basically you go to the RPM which you want. So alright, so basically I just want my Burble to only happen around 3500 to 75, just because, you know, I'm gonna be spoofing it all the way down. So basically highlight all of this in the low range, so when you're decelling, open this, select it to, I know there's some that usually put it to -10, -5, but they said you could just put it to any negative number under 20 before you fuck up your engine. That's what I heard. So I'll just do -10 and bang. Basically after you do all that, everything's done. You basically press this arrow. Yep. Alright, now that we got our little ignition timing all done, set to -10. You just press upload. Please make sure laptop is in power saving mode, blah blah blah, because it can take a little while. Press yes. And then you can save your tune to any slot, but I don't give a fuck. Start flash now. It's preparing. So you're supposed to have your car on the second click.
You're gonna have like Christmas lights on your dash for a little bit while it flashes your ECU.
So it is gonna take a little while.
But yeah, we'll get back to you once it's done.
Alright. The software just started or finished downloading, and you should hear a click. And then this should pop up. So basically you kind of just follow directions. Please key the vehicle off for a few seconds, then turn the key back on and wait for a few seconds before hitting OK. And it gives you the time. So you basically just turn it off. And you hear another click. Wait a little bit. And you hear another click. And that basically means it's good. Turn it back on. Press OK. And then flash successful, and that's about it.
It would have been even funnier if it didn't start.
Yeah, and it blew up. And then this is how it goes.
What'd you say, Jamari?
Say it again, Jamari.
Say it again, Jamari.
If Jason gets to 10,000 subs, I'll buy a car.
Make it 5, dude. Make it 5.
Nah, dude. I'm not trying to spend money
Okay.
like that.
You guys heard it. If we get to 10,000 subscribers by whenever, blow this up. If we get to 10,000 subscribers, Jamari is gonna buy a car. A nice car. Right, Jamari?
You're gonna buy. You gotta name it now before you buy you a shit.
Yeah.
Piece of shit car.
So please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, blow it up, share it with your friends, so Jamari can finally buy a car.
You said Jamari?
Alright, so we just finished tuning it. Now we're gonna go get something to eat. And we'll vlog that. And you guys will come with us and see what we're gonna eat. We have no idea yet, so we're gonna decide. But, yeah. Alright.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we're gonna get Mexican food right now at you can see that's kind of dark, but it's Los Gilberto's. It's called Gilberto's.
No, you're gonna get hate, bro.
What do you mean?
Hella hate.
You fuck awkwardly.
Which one should I buy? Can you get ice here?
Wait, how much? Is that only one?
Oh, so you're edgy, dude.
Oh, you want double.
What you get, bro?
Oh, I got the sticky hand. Yes.
See, that one's the best one,
Oh
bro.
no, yeah, that one is.
Literally, it's the best one just because you can fucking just swing it out on people.
Let me actually just do that.
Oh.
Hello, pray with you.
Big! There's 4 of them?
There's 2 of them in here, and I got 3. Well, there's $4 each, basically.
Burrito. Gotta
You know? Fuck.
Was it that good, dude?
Sorry.